Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my first relaxer retouch and I'm going to jump right in. So I'm starting off showing you all the products that I'm using that'll also be linked in the description below. I'm going to be doing the pre-part method today, and I learned about this method from Tiara J, who I believe learned it from Hairlicious. So I'm starting off just by putting my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm using this oil blend from Dynasty to base my scalp because I don't have Vaseline today. And then I went ahead and did the other 3 sections, and I'm showing you exactly how I'm doing that with this front one. So I'm just taking about 1/2 inch parts and then using the conditioner, using the Aussie 3-minute moist conditioner on my length of my hair, and then again using that Curls Dynasty oil blend on the scalp, and then I'm just twisting those sections up. So the reason I'm doing this is just so that when I'm getting ready to apply the relaxer, it's quicker and just easier to make sure that I'm actually getting every section. So I waited about 6-7 weeks to do this, and if you remember from my first relaxer where I went from natural to relaxed, there were a lot of spots of my roots that I missed, so this is just going to make sure that I get every single spot. And here is when I got all the sections done, showing you exactly what that looks like. So once I have all of the sections in place, I'm going to go ahead and put on my gloves and start with the back section. And for each of these sections, I like to do the perimeter of the section first, and then I'll start going in to each of the smaller sections in between. Once I have the relaxer applied throughout my hair, I like to use the little popsicle stick that comes with the relaxer and just use that to smooth out each section. Again, having these pre-parted sections made this super easy, so I just went through and pressed each section until it was smooth, and then I went ahead and washed this out. I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair using the shampoo and conditioner that came with the RS relaxer, and then I just let my hair air dry. So now I'm going to be using this Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum and my Time Beauty straightening brush and just lightly straightening through my hair. This is pretty much what I have done as my routine every time after I've washed my hair or whenever I'm relaxing. And if you don't have one of these Time straightening brushes, I really recommend getting one. I use it on my natural hair before I relax as well, and it just works super well, and it just makes it so much faster getting it done. Obviously here I'm not going for a super sleek look, which is why I'm taking pretty large sections to do this, but definitely recommend that if you don't have one. Once I have that section complete, you can see that my hair is shiny. It was very soft and it moves. It's not stiff at all. So I'm just going to continue this throughout the rest of my hair. So at this point, I've straightened half of my hair. Again, it's super soft, super shiny. I love my Tomo straightening brush. It works so well. So I go ahead and do the other side of my hair, and I'm basically leaving it like this because I pretty much wear my hair like this at all times unless I'm going somewhere, which isn't often, or I'm doing a makeup video for Instagram. And in that case, my hair is pretty much either in one of these slick back buns, in a bubble braid, or a braided ponytail. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's linked below. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next update.